to the FinOps Advocate YouTube channel. Today's video is a recap of the FinOps Foundation FinOpsX show in San Diego. This was the second annual show, and it was an opportunity for us as a professional community to get together, exchange experiences, learn from one another, meet the vendors, see what new developments there were. And the FinOps Foundation themselves had some really significant announcements. So I thought I'd use this video for us to review them. So let's get started. There were about 1,000 people who attended at the Marriott Marquis Marina in San Diego. The venue was just the right size. You could get to all of the sessions without a problem. The trade floor was not congested. Those who couldn't make it had cameo appearances. I thought that JR and the whole team at FinOps Foundation, Stacy, Mike Fuller, Ben Dora, and the rest of the team did an excellent job. There were many speakers from across major industry, both cloud platforms, as well as case studies from vendors such as Adobe and how they used FinOps to launch. So all in all, it was a good collection of experiences. Of course, there were opportunities to meet with your fellow practitioners and professionals. And then the trade floor was a great opportunity to see all the new tools, the advances, and such forth. I thought the 5 biggest announcements were the release of version 0.5 of Focus, the landscape directory, the new persona certifications, all the advances and the tools out there, and then IBM's purchase of Aptio. So Focus is the FinOps Foundation's effort to standardize billing across all of the cloud platform vendors. Now, this is not going to be easy, but for those of us who are managing multi-cloud environments, the ability to compare one to the other is going to become more and more important as things go forward. So you're going to want to keep an eye out on the advancements, the working group advancements, as well as the tools that you're using. Are they compliant with Focus? And the way that you can check to see if your tools are compliant is the new FinOps landscape directory, which lists all of the tools as well as service providers, what they do. Are they certified in certain areas? How many people on staff are FinOps practitioners? And which clouds do they support? Azure, GCP, Oracle, Alibaba. So this is a great way to compare tools vendors. The next is the announcement of the certifications for all the other personas, not just for the FinOps practitioners themselves. So whether you're an engineer or you're in procurement or finance, this is going to give the other stakeholders an opportunity to get certified, to start using the same terminology and go through the process to be able to participate more effectively. It's $150. You take the online training, and then there's a test at the end. Then you're certified for 2 years. So this is a great way to really help your other team members in your FinOps practice. So certainly there were a lot of new announcements as far as tools were concerned. We saw some AI announcements from products like ProsperOps for reserved instance reservations and Cloud Zero using AI. There were products doing cloud hygiene, such as Cloud Fix and Harness. Lucidity does EBS volume cleanup. KubeCost is a Kubernetes specific product that allows you to check your cluster sizes and trim back your your limits and your request sizes. CloudKeeper, which helps you to manage your maps agreement with AWS to make sure that you're getting all of the credits for your migration process. And then Advisor, which is a tool that is kind of bridges the gap between in-house development and third-party tools, whereas it's a tool that can be very much tailored to your needs. And then Verticent, which is a service provider, I thought they came out with a really creative marketing announcement that they would donate $1,000 to the charity of your choice if they could find more than 30% savings in your cloud spend. So, and then the big announcement was IBM purchasing Aptio. And, you know, it's kind of a good fit because Aptio has a full suite of products that cover not just FinOps, but software asset management. It also gets involved with TBR. And so now the two big products, Cloud Health and Aptio's Cloud Ability, are owned by big vendors, IBM and VMware. The other tools now are either filling niches, adding AI, and rising up to offer new and innovative services. You'll be able to find a lot of the content from the FinOps show on YouTube. If this video has been helpful to you, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.